Good morning, y'all. What's up? It's your boy Butch from IMPERIAL Automobili. Today we're here at the Houston Exotic Auto Festival. As you see, gonna be plenty of good time over here. Buckle up, you're about to see some good things over here. Cheers to everybody. As you see, we got the SVJ over here. We got the STO over here. We got the Purple Monte, and we got the also Urus, and plenty of beautiful, amazing golden cars. So the McLaren is over there. We have a huge collection of McLarens also as well. If you haven't participated, make sure you sign up for next year. I feel really good, but I feel also judged. I'm a judge. Don't judge me. Very cool.
What are you going to judge?
Don't judge everybody. I'm a very judgmental person.
Fashion style.
Fashion, best in the show, best car, and sexy man like him right here.
Hey! What's up, my man? How you doing, man? This is the guy right here.
That's the guy right
Look,
here.
it's the man.
Yeah. So I'm a judge today. So I'm gonna pick out the best looking man in the world.
Go for the trophy.
Yeah.
Can you feel that?
Wonderful car show, and I tell you what, the cars are endless and they're brilliant and beautiful. Make sure to follow both Imperial TV and the Man in the Machine for more great content. Let's go.
Okay, I wish all the crowd could join us here because this is a very special day. We've been doing this Houston Exotic Auto Festival for 6 years now. Last time was in 2019. It was at MSR Houston. It was dynamite for being the first time that we did it there, far away. But this year, because we had to skip 2020, we decided to double down and do it twice. We doubled the size of the event. We did it here first. I'm very grateful to Haydar. Haydar Barbori is the owner of Highland Village. I happen to be the publisher of this fabulous magazine, which you copy home today. And he's one of our clients, and he invited us to hold the event here. As you maybe recall, Ferrari used to have their events here. I learned today that the best event that Ferrari ever put together here, we kicked their ass. So I'm very happy. And I have to say, Pablo, thank you. This guy is the one that made it possible. This is Pablo Delgado. Just for those of you who don't know him,
Mexicano.
he is the GM.
Hello everyone. I will drop this mic, but I will be making honor to Mike.
Thank you.
Anyways, my name is Pablo Delgado. I'm the general manager for Lamborghini Houston, rolls-royce in North Houston, and McLaren Houston, and I'm a proud Ecuadorian. Okay? With an Argentine accent. No, but first of all, I want to say thank you to everyone that came out here today. Without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. All of you, the exotic owners, and obviously our spectators. We're very, very happy. And I want to say obviously thank you, Martin, for putting all this together.
Car Festival. This was an amazing event. We love all of you guys. Thank you very much for coming. Round of applause, guys. Martin, thank you.
Winner is
4x4 Mercedes-Benz.
Unspeakable. The 4x4 Mercedes-Benz Square.
Nathan!
Here we go. One. Hold that.
Guys, stand on
One more time. Hold that. I got go.
Okay, guys. The next, we're going to do the best exotic SUV. Now, we asked everybody, and believe it or not, unanimous. The best exotic SUV goes to the Urus. Round of applause, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Congratulations.
Eyes this way. Put your arm around. There you go. Hold that. Put the trophy next to the stick with it. Hold that.
he got the previous trophy. Okay, we need signal on that. Okay, yes. So tell us what you have. Tell us about your car.
It's a Ferrari SF90. It has a Ferrari package. It's fun car. 1,000 plus horsepower. No, 1,000 almost.
Can I give you the price of the first car of the year?
Around 750.
750? Oh, okay. That's not bad.
What's up, guys? What's up? Alright, so we picked out one of the best exotic car, or the second best exotic car of this show. And that goes to the Black Purple Monday. And thank you for being part of our lives. Thank you for being part of the car community.
Just saying. Just saying.
We say we're not gonna pick that one.
Nah, we picked you, bro. You're a great guy.
There we go. Let's everybody get together.
I believe everybody picked out the Super Leggera, and that goes for
Super light.
Oh, the Super Light Coupe.
Yes? Super light coupe. Yeah, super light coupe.
And this car, guys, and I can tell you this, the sound that this car makes is unlike anything else. Believe me when I tell you that. So, Derek, give us a couple of words here, buddy.
All the people that brought their vehicles to this event and all of the people that came to enjoy the car. So, for every one of you, thank you very much.